Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hey, well, go on, me there again, my people. Blessed manners and the respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone are right. There are certain things I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to talk about certain amount of videos that I saw on social media in this video. Alright, so my people. If a motorist who was operating a motor vehicle stopped that motor vehicle at a certain location or at a location of the motorist's choice, at what point can it be considered as parking after the motorist stopped the motor vehicle? But people, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. And in this video, you can hear a person saying some words about and are to a law enforcer or a police officer from within the country of Jamaica. I want to pay attention to the word ticket that I can hear mentioned in the video for your subscribers. And in my point of view, it seems as if there was some type of a disagreement between the person and the law enforcer. But you be the judge. Look and listen to this video and tell me what you think, people. Tell me what you think about the situation now. Observe.
I don't care. A parking ticket for what? I'm in the vehicle. I didn't leave the vehicle. I'm in the vehicle. And you come here. And there was a bus parked in front of me. I never disrespect you and you follow me everywhere in Mandeville town. And I'm gonna tell this to the media. You watch out.
Yeah, listen to people.
This man take away me to both of us park here and I'm in the vehicle. And this man can't take away me driver's license, I'm in trouble him. He follow me go to the gas station with here. And him can't take away me driver's license, I'm in trouble him. And this man follow me come clear to hell down here so can't take me driver's license, I'm in trouble him.
Wait, I wonder if me here right.
I'm not trouble this man. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm sitting in the vehicle. I'm actually sitting in the vehicle. And I'm waiting on someone. And this man molests me at the gas station and him come down here so I come tell me say him don't know me. And I don't say anything you hear I say anything derogatory to him.
How the person move away? So, you know, like when somebody try to move from somebody in a certain way. You see that a while ago?
No, but I didn't come out of the vehicle. I'm actually waiting on something. No, but me not in the way. I'm not in the both of us. A two vehicle did park here, so I'm asking me for my driver's license. That's why I'm not move because the other man was parked there. But them walk and trouble people who not trouble them. Them pre and females who are most vulnerable because there was a vehicle parked there and him don't have strength for the man and me there here so behind the man sitting in the vehicle and him come ask me for my driver's license. I'm gonna see what you're gonna do with the driver's license because I have my video right here so. I never said anything derogatory to this man. And both of us park here and you pass the man and come to me. I don't know why this man's stalking me. Whatever Johnson, whatever they say name, I don't know why is he stalking me. I don't know. I don't know why are you stalking me. Why are you doing that? Why are you stalking me? What did I do to you? Commit what offense? What did I do? Listen, sir, I am sitting in the vehicle. I'm waiting on somebody. And look here, you can't better than me, you know. You're going out here for the rest of your life tormenting people. You're going to be out here for the rest of your life tormenting females. Imagine both of us was parked here. Is that gonna make you any better? Huh? Like what did you do? What you did today? Is that gonna make you better, officer?
There you some words said in the video. So there are certain things said in the video that have me wondering at what point can it be considered as parking? Because in the video, me or the person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said I'm in the vehicle. I didn't leave the vehicle. So certain things I'm wondering about that whole situation. There are that disagreement, as I call it, between the person and the law enforcer. But what you think, people? What you think? You let me know what you think. Oh, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, people, you see, sometimes I rather see a video of something that might have happened than someone tell me, because most likely me can look at the video and get a better understanding and then come to my conclusion based on what I see in the video. So I saw a video that shows a person who's believed to be blind down in a hole, and the person was holding and also using a type of tool while down in the hole. And in my point of view, I think that hole was a deep enough hole. So at one point when I look at the video, viewing subscribers, I wonder if the video shows a real situation or not. But in my point of view, the person who was down in the hole did at least one thing to show proof that his eyes are blind, or he's blind. But people, depending on the type of situation that I saw in the video, I respect that person. But you can let me know what you think. I'll tell you. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Yeah, man, I really think, man. I got to go on, you know. I'm not begging for the go in there and steal with this. How to make a dollar, I don't know. I have to eat, car deck, insult that. You know? I have to start with the thing, you know. Yeah, man.
What the machine and see you do?
Yeah, run the machine.
I'm joking things still.
Jano, my people. Jano, me I look at the video. I tell me say, give thanks. A lot of we take a lot of things for granted still, you know. A lot of us take a lot of things for granted, you know, and don't realize, you know. Hey, me I tell you, Jano. I wonder how the person got down in that hole, you know. How the person do certain things. I wonder how the person know which part need to dig off or support. I wonder how the person are going to see if certain things should happen or certain things might. They are not that dangerous when I see when I look on that situation there. Let me know what you think, my people. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that I saw in an edited video that have been posted on social media. Now I got the understanding that these pieces of videos have been recorded within the country of Jamaica, and these pieces of videos shows some things that happened when some police officers from within the country of Jamaica went at a location within the country of Jamaica. One of these pieces of videos shows at least one person who had been held by police. And in these pieces of videos, you can hear a certain amount of persons saying some words in the background of these pieces of videos. My people, want you to look and listen carefully to these pieces of videos. Tell me what you think about the situation and some words that have been said in these pieces of videos as well. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
I all of them.
That's them.
I all of
who beat him and who of corruption and them. That's them. Me I go pan fasting and prayer for them.
I'm a grown a judge right now. I'm a grown a judge. They think we in a joke.
Need back of them.
They think we in a joke. Remember, my uncle obeah man. Remember that. Never fear. While we have the obeah man.
You should tell them not make sure kill them. You want them a corruption money.
All the one day when I tap look me.
You want corruption.
All the one day when I tap them. If we did careless, me go on me. All the one day, see there? No tap look me. Dirty drunk of them, they want to out and come around with you. See it? You know see it? Get it clear.
Listen.
Clear.
Alright.
So me tell the police one night, I say me no police and he can't lick me. Me no police and he come lick me.
What?
Then I'm gonna.
It's three of them. It's three of them they have in a handcuff. The other two in a truck box. And him one they take out a beat.
Tell you someone here. Say my runner come with button. No. Me I go looking at me bag if them thief nothing. Me I go look if them thief nothing.
See them there.
River now where your head. With the back of the river. Me I grow on Uncle John first. Me I walk you up here.
Make it turn over people with them.
Me I walk you up here.
You hear some words that have been said in those pieces of videos? Obeah. Obeah. You see the time me hear Obeah, it's like me start listen carefully. Me start being careful because let me tell you something. Yes, what me not understand and what me don't totally have a good knowledge about, I try to sometimes be very careful because you may never know. You may never know. See, the amount of stories when me hear about them type of sitting there. Now, sir, me not take it for no joke, and at the same time, me not go totally say, oh yes, I got no. But you let me know what you think. Yeah, let me know what you think about the situation there with people. Hey, well, I don't know where that call that, but in my point of view, it seems as if there was a certain amount of law enforcement at that location and certain things happen. Well, let me know what you think about the situation. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, I'm Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?